Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video. In this video demonstration, I want to show you how you can use your own key or customer managed key to encrypt your data within your storage accounts. Okay, by default, if you create a storage account, okay, you will have the SSE or storage service encryption available to you, and it usually works in a very transparent way. By default, it's always encrypted using Microsoft managed keys. Okay, and you may choose to bring your own key. So this is what we're gonna do really quickly. So all you need to do, if you have a storage account, you can come over here, come to encryption and choose customer managed keys. You have two different options: enter key URI or select from Key Vault. In this exercise, we're going to use the key from Azure Key Vault. If you use enter encryption key, you can also use that. But as I said, in this exercise, we're going to stick to creating a key vault. Now, I do not have a key vault created for this, so let's just come here. So we are within our storage account. We just came over here, and I'm just gonna create a new key vault, and let's just call it key vault encrypt. Let's see if it's available. Encrypt 1 2 4. Okay, that's available. Pricing tier standard is good. If you want your hardware managed keys, then you can go with the premium, but I really don't need that. I just gonna go standard is fine for me. Do you want soft delete? Yes, soft delete allows you to recover a deleted key vault and its objects within the retention period you specify. Okay, so this is a good thing to have, so I'm going to enable that one. Once enabled, this option cannot be disabled. That's a good thing. And how many days do you want to retain? 90 days is good. Part is, again, we are going to enable patch protection of this vault and its object during the retention period. Okay, once enabled, this option cannot be deleted. That is fine. So 90 days is good. So I'm just gonna say access policy, you really don't need to define anything. Like, I'm just gonna go with the default. I'm just gonna select the that I'm gonna use this key vault for disk encryption, Azure Resource Manager template deployment, and Azure Virtual Machine for deployment. I just like to have all these features available to me. Network, you don't need to do anything. This public endpoint is fine. So anybody who has access can get to this. Tags, I don't need anything, and just all I need to do at this point is create. So it is going to create the key vault for me that I'm going to use to create a key that we will use to encrypt our storage accounts. Now the keys can be of two different types within Azure. One is the RSA, another is the EC or electrical curve. Based on what kind of key you choose, you can choose the key length and stuff like that, and we'll take a look at that very quickly. And you just have to choose and tell Azure, hey, I have this key vault now, and here now it's asking you to select a key. So you see I have no keys available, so you can just hit create new, and option is generate, import, or restore from backup. I don't have any keys, so I'm just gonna go with RSA key, which is most widely accepted in the industry. You can also use EC, elliptical curve, and what you can do, you can set an activation date. Okay, that key we want to activate that today, so let's make that 29, and we want to expire that key maybe say 8:30, after a month. Okay, so what we'll do, we will use a regenerate a new key, and we'll rotate this key. That's a good practice you can have. And name my SSE. Okay, so that's the my SSE, not Azure SSE. That's what I'm trying to suggest here. And you just say select, and over here at this time all you need to do, right, you have selected that you're selecting from your own key vault that you created, this one, and this is the create key that you're going to use to encrypt your data within the storage account. And you just hit save, and it should save everything just fine for you, and you are good to go. And there we go. So that's your current key. It's enabled using the latest key version, and the key version is this particular one. So if you want to change your key at a later point, you can come, you can change, click on the change key. If you want to select a key vault and key, you can again do the same thing. You can come back to your key vault, okay? And if you want to create a new key, maybe after a couple months, you can go with an EC key this time, and my EC key SSE, you can name something like that, use one of these, and you can hit create, and it's gonna create the new key for you. But that's all I want to cover in this video. So I hope you have a good understanding how to use your own key to encrypt your storage accounts if you do not want Microsoft to manage the keys. Good luck with the video. Thank you for watching.